Hello mga ka-learning, this is Teacher Jaay. Welcome to Learning for All Seasons. In today's video, I shall discuss rhyme, and you are expected to give the meaning of rhyme. Determine the similar sounding words in the lines of the poem. What is rhyme? Rhyme is also spelled rhyme. It is a literary device featured particularly in poetry. It is a repetition of similar sounding words occurring at the end of lines in poems or songs. Rhyme is also a tool utilizing repeating patterns that bring rhythm or musicality to poems. This differentiates them from prose, which is plain. What is general rhyme? The term general rhyme refers to variety of phonetic likenesses between words. Here are the following examples of general rhymes: syllabic rhyme, imperfect rhyme, assonance or slant rhyme, consonance, alliteration or head rhyme. Syllabic rhymes are words having similar sounding last syllable but without a stressed vowel. Let's have the following examples: clever, silver, Peter, hatter, bottle, fiddle. The final syllable of the words clever and silver is R, as well as Peter and potter, while bottle and fiddle is L. L and R are liquid consonants since they are vowel-like consonants. Remember, syllabic rhymes involve rhyming the last syllable of words or called the tail rhyme or end rhyme. Imperfect or near rhymes are words rhymed between a stressed and a non-stressed syllable, or not all sounds are repeated. Let's have the following examples: sting, sharing, wing, carry, ridge, fudge. Words like sting and sharing have a shared vowel and consonant sound at the end of the word ing, but the natural stress in sharing is on the AR and not the ing, meaning the words are an imperfect rhyme. Same thing with the words wing and carrying. For the words ridge and fudge, the stress in both words is on the first syllable, and they further share an ending sound. But since their emphasized vowel sound is not the same, ing, the words form an imperfect rhyme. Remember, imperfect rhymes are the word endings that sound similar but not the same. Assonance or slant rhyme exists in words having the same vowel sound. Let's have the following examples: kill, bill, wall, call, bet, set. The words kill and bill have the same vowel sound of I. Wall and hall have the vowel sound of A, while bet and set have the vowel sound of E. Remember, assonance is the repetition of vowel sounds across a line of poetry. Consonance exists in words having the same consonant sound. Let's have the following examples: rabbit, rubber, sheep, sheep, mammals, clammy. The common consonant sound for the words rabbit and rubber is B. For the words sheep and sheep are the sounds of SH and P, while mammals and clammy are the sound of M. Remember, consonance is the repetition of consonant sounds at the beginning, middle, or end of at least two words in a line of poetry. Alliteration or head rhyme refers to matching initial consonant sounds. Let's have the following examples: see, seal, shatter, shudder, quietly, quickly. The initial sound for the words see and seal is the sound of S. For shudder and shudder is the sound of SH, while quietly and quickly is the sound of Q. Remember, alliteration is when the beginning sound of words is repeated in close succession. Always remember, when we say rhyme, it is a repetition of similar sounding words occurring at the end of lines in poems or songs. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you learned from this video. I have provided activity sheets with answers key based from the lesson. Just click the link down below. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the bell for more updates. Till then!